What's the meaning of airspeed? Airspeed. 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 Airspeed.
Airspeed refers to the speed at which an aircraft travels through the air. It is typically measured in units of knots or miles per hour, mph. Airspeed is important for pilots to monitor during flight, as it affects the amount of lift generated by the aircraft's wings and the length of runway required for takeoff and landing. Different types of airspeed measurements include indicated airspeed, IAS, true airspeed, TAS, and ground speed, GS. Accurate airspeed readings are essential for safe and efficient aviation operations.